Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna just keep this shit real, alright? Savage mind. Yeah, I do it for my city, I do this for my hometown. I do it for everybody, nobody bringing me down. I do it for all this music and all who have paved the way. Now I do it for myself, I'm switching up the game today. I was growing up, they said I got rhythm. Now I follow dreams like a religion. Working for peace, I hate all division. Honestly,
oh yeah,
is my mission. You believe
and I have a new car that I've been sitting on for a minute. Told my friend to say it was his because just bought a house, needed to get settled there. But the car that I got is an NSX. This is the new car for the Gram. TE37s. We're gonna be doing a little bit of work on this today. Replaced the fuel filter and had like old, dirty, rusty gas. So we go to pull these injectors out and get those flow mastered and tested today because it has a stumble and I want to fix that. But we got 2 of the 4 JDM Legend cars. So I'm pretty happy and excited about that. Can't wait to drive it. It's gonna be my iced coffee vehicle. Okay, so I'm just laying everything out. I know it's on the trunk lid of my NSX, but it's fine. It's cool. The car is being repainted because there's little stuff like this here and it's like stuff here. So it's being repainted. Don't worry. It's gonna be a shelf today. So now I got to pull the injectors out of the NSX because I need to get those clean today. And I got this guy in Modesto does them, so we're gonna do that. But yeah, registration's almost done on the NSX. I've had it for like 2 months, 3 months. Been trying to figure out how to like release it, but fuck it. I'm just gonna have an NSX. Alright, so I loosened them already. Next part is these things. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's where I use the right shit when you need to use the right shit. At least it's just a PCV. Fuck. Anyway, we must continue.
Like you could feel like when you go over bumps, it like does weird shit.
Yeah.
So it's like, oh, I'm like.
And then
hours. Oh shit. That's not nice car, man.
Oh, cause you fancy fans.
No, I just.
Ones.
No, I get it. These are probably dumbass expensive. That one come off, huh?
Yeah, that one's all good. Ooh, okay. Not on there that tight.
Hey, I see you.
Fuel rails out the way here. So, pulling the injectors, marking them as I go. Motherfucking injectors are out. Ugh, all of them. Probably need to change the seals, but I ain't gonna do it.
He making a video.
For sure making a video. So they all out and marked. So now I'm about to go get these things tested and clean, and hopefully we come back cool. Is that one? Is it the droplets?
No, it will start changing direction. Just like, see this one?
There you go. What is she? Off, huh?
Yeah, watch. Go through. I'm saying the spray pattern changes.
Yeah. Well, probably better than how it was.
Yeah, you can try it, see how it works. I mean, it might still run. That's what I always tell people. On my bench, it shows exactly what's going on. There's cars that run with some pretty bad stuff. They still run. Are they efficient? Is it safe?
Yeah.
No, but
It's old.
I didn't want
I didn't want an NSX. I just wanted to be cool. Oh yeah. Like that, huh?
Hey, y'all hear that, right?
Like that.
He don't even like this shit.
I don't even like this shit.
Look at
Shit,
him.
a Honda.
Look at him.
He got an Accord.
Look at him. He got a forest in his NSX. Look at all them weaves. You got to get it in the hole, Andre.
So many holes.
Just pick one.
It's too many holes.
Just, spit on it.
Like that woman at the gas station? Okay, they're all in the hole, guys.
You got the plastic piece right there sitting against it.
That's what was stopping me the whole time. Who's calling me?
He's making a video.
He's making a video of me. Hey man, if this shit don't work. Hey man, if this shit don't work, we gotta open it up.
We're going to put a K24 in it.
J30.
Just stock.
Yeah,
Stock.
K24 with a big old turbo.
With an automatic transmission.
No. Why are you playing me? I don't.
Put a turbo
You don't what?
behind
You
it.
don't what?
I don't like that.
Don't like
I
what?
don't like that.
Automatic.
You
You don't like that?
You don't like that.
If it blows, I don't like that.
Where that thing at?
See, it's better when you're not holding the camera.
It is better. I like this. Ladies and gentlemen.
You like that?
Nah.
So what's up, guys? My name's Lamar. That's Andre.
He's the guy who was holding the car for me.
We not doing that. This is my car. He just bought it from me. Trying to play me. I sold it to him for $78,000.
Oh, 78? Nah, I don't need nobody pretending I got money.
Nah, everybody gonna know you got money, and I'm gonna make sure I edit this in because I'm gonna steal your SD card before you leave.
Oh, really?
You just buy a house?
What a fucking what where the goddamn eject button at on this bitch?
Go plug it in now.
Go ahead now.
Hey, Andre, you got a voltage leak?
Do I have a voltage leak?
Yeah. Hold your hand out.
Hold my hand out.
Hold your hand out.
Why?
Hold your ashy ass hand out. Wrong hand.
Why you want that hand?
Voltage leak.
Stupid. What's wrong with you, nigga?
You drunk?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm drunk.
Plug it in.
I can't.
We trying to watch you plug it in.
I can't.
Your audience wants to watch you plug. God damn.
My nigga Joe.
Damn, bro, this gonna be a hella good ass vlog, dog. 30 motherfucking
Vlog?
Vlog.
Vlog.
Fucking broke the PCV shit.
Peeps.
Yeah.
Pimpses?
You ready?
I broke it.
You broke your Pimp C
I
thing?
broke my Pimp C thing.
Where? That shit ain't gonna start now.
Just block it.
That shit broke.
Broke.
On the paint?
Yes.
Yes.
So is your Epexy box. So is your tool bag.
Those are soft.
Yeah? Soft.
Those are soft.
Yeah, alright.
Alright.
They need to know.
Yeah.
They need to know.
Somebody with an NSX is gonna be like, damn,
What's he doing?
how do I take out my fuel rail? See, you can
If
skip
you don't
all the fucking
stop-
stops.
If you don't know how to take off a fuel rail, boy,
Hey,
You know how to take off
you
a
shouldn't be
fuel
touching the
rail?
car. You shouldn't be touching the car.
everybody got to start somewhere.
What do you say in Fast and the Furious?
If you can't find the right tool in this shop,
Oh yeah.
Mister. What they call him?
What was his name? Becerra or some shit?
You can't find the right tool in this garage, Mr. Arizona, you don't belong near a car.
At least they got the rotary engine, right? Nah, they actually got the actual, like, mechanics of a rotary engine right in that movie.
Did they?
Yes. Like, if
Got the
you,
nitrous through?
yeah. Like, it went through
you
rotors
actually
and everything.
right. I remember that the little 3D graphics one.
These motherfuckers don't know I'm always right. Always
Yeah, but then they got the fucking Eclipse wrong because it was not turbo. Had and
Yeah, it was
filling
a
line.
428. It's the one
Yeah.
that happened to Neon.
It wasn't even turbo.
Your Neon was turbo,
Yeah.
and that shit was hella fast.
Yeah, but that one on that shit was not turbo.
How you know that, though? And you even saw the whole engine bay.
No, he did.
Nah,
When he
yeah,
popped
you
it
could
and the
tell.
fucking
Yeah.
Mexican dude walked over.
Hector. You
know-
can't get that wrong. His name is Hector in every movie.
His name is Hector.
His name
Is Hector.
His name is Mexican dude.
His name is Hector, for real.
That's racist. You can't
And he
post
always
that.
plays
I
himself.
can't post that.
You can't post that. You can't say,
I can't
like,
post Mexican dude name.
nah, you can't just say Mexican dude. Hey, look at this black dude working on his NSX.
That's right.
Black dude.
Black dude.
He ain't got no name. He just black dude. He a label.
He just black dude.
That BD.
He just black dude. He just dude that's black.
Damn, change your Instagram name. That
Black
black dude.
That black dude.
DBD. Had people get it fucked up. What's DBD stand for? Double D's.
Shut the.
Oh shit, bro! You about to have a whole ass 10-minute video and you ain't even gotta edit it, dude.
I do gotta edit it.
Damn, I'm pro as fuck.
You pro?
Yeah, dude, I should be doing this shit, bro.
For real life.
Yeah, for real.
Hey,
Yes.
can you pass me those little bolts right there on that corner right there? Yeah. Dims. Oh, nigga.
With the fake. Oh damn. Oh fuck.
It was about to be gone. That was about to be gone forever, nigga. All ever,
This
ever.
thing ate my fucking wrench the other night.
Never to be seen again.
Didn't hit the ground. Fuck.
It didn't hit the ground. I don't know how you found it either.
I just hit.
Motherfucker.
All right, so he's done.
I'm gonna get you high.
Who's getting high?
He is.
We getting high.
Nah, he is.
I'm getting high. His key stuck. You gotta take it out and then put it back in. It's a Honda thing.
Do it again.
All right, take it out again. You got blow on it
No, you don't.
like a damn Nintendo cartridge.
You trying to put
Oh, hey, the steering wheel. Turn it.
Man, why you got the steering wheel locked on?
It's not my fault.
Do you have a fuel leak?
I don't see anything.
All right, start it. Oh yeah, we gotta prime it, so you know.
Oh, I hear fuel. I hear it. It's coming.
That's what she said.
Okay. We're looking good.
But do it sound good?
I don't know. Let's hope so. Okay, go ahead.
Fixed it. That's what she said.
You're stretching it out. Broken.
Not broken. Until I drive it. As for the NS6, still got some work to do. The injectors that I got cleaned today didn't fix the issue, so I'm back to scratching my head on that. But as for today, the video is done. So maybe we'll be out here tomorrow. I don't know. I'll catch y'all in the next one.